Are you tired of juggling multiple tools to manage your online business? Say hello to FunnelCockpit, the ultimate solution to streamline your marketing tasks. This software is designed to make your life easier by simplifying the creation of sales funnels, managing member areas, and boosting engagement. Let's dive into why FunnelCockpit could be a game changer you've been searching for. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home just by making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. And guys, on this channel I've reviewed multiple ways to make money online and internet products. Some are great and others are complete waste of time. So if you're newly watching this video, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. I guess it might be shining, so go ahead and click that notification bell so that you won't be missing any next notifications from mine. Alright guys, so when we go across with review wise recommendation, FunnelCockpit earns a stellar 4.7 rating on Trustpilot. This all-in-one tool is a must-have for anyone navigating the complexities of online business. Its easy-to-use interface, diverse features, and seamless integrations make it perfect for entrepreneurs seeking simplicity and efficiency. Now let's discuss overview of FunnelCockpit. In today's fast-paced online world, having a comprehensive and user-friendly tool is very crucial. FunnelCockpit emerges as a game changer, offering everything you need for intelligent marketing strategies. So let's explore its key features. When we talk about interface, easy to navigate design for beginners and experts alike. Functionality, all-in-one solution for sales funnels, member areas, and marketing tasks. Integration, seamlessly connects with email marketing, forms, surveys, video players, and webinars. Designing tools, customize with just one-click elements, custom CSS, and responsive design. When we talk about member areas, gradually release content, foster engagement with forms, and reward achievements with certifications. And interactive videos, create personalized experience with a simple drag and drop editor optimized for mobile devices. Lead generation, capture leads effortlessly with mobile optimized quizzes and surveys. And blog system, launch your blog with just one-click activation and boost visibility with SEO tool. And email marketing, segment your audience effectively with tag-based system and stay GDPR compliant. When we talk about the forms, create customized forms with trigger functions and algorithms for automation. Video player, host your videos with higher conversion rates and faster loading times. Split testing, optimize sales with easy setup and significant results. Automated webinars, here you can conduct webinars effortlessly with time control chats and personalized emails. Mouse tracking, you can monitor user behavior easily for both mobile and desktop users. So here when we talk about FunnelCockpit dashboard, the user-friendly dashboard consolidates all major marketing tools under one roof with over 12,500 users and 35,000 plus funnels created. It's clear that this all-in-one solution is gaining traction, like funnel builder, members area, interactive video funnels, blog system, email marketing tool, form builder, video player, and hosting. You know, with the combination of all these features, you can create a sustainable online business. And when we talk about pros and cons, it's very easy to use interface, all-in-one solution as I said, and seamless integration. And when we talk about the cons, it has limited free plan and pricing structure may be steep for some users when we compare it with other alternatives. But last, I would like to conclude saying FunnelCockpit stands out as a comprehensive user-friendly platform that simplifies online marketing. With its seamless integration and growing user base, it's a game changer for businesses looking to thrive online. So say goodbye to complexity and hello to simplicity with FunnelCockpit. So if you like to try this out for just $1, then I request you to please visit the second link in the description. You know, we only have special invites. So you can try it out for just $1. And as a promise, I would also like to give you a bonus. But before that, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars just by creating these kinds of automated systems, as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? For that purpose, I'm giving away you my own programs for absolutely free. So you can grab all the programs as you can see on the screen for absolutely free. This is only for my first 100 followers. So take action, get into my community and access all these courses for absolutely free. Alright guys, so if you're new to this video, I request you to please do subscribe. It would be motivating me to create new content for you, as well as you can get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. So meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.